Hello students, welcome back. This is class 4th maths and today we will start exercise work of unit number 3, that is large numbers. But before starting the exercise you have to first make this place value chart. See this place value chart, you have to first make into your notebook how the periods are arranged here. You can see ones period, thousands period, lakhs period and crore period. Okay, so this is your place value chart. You have to first make in your notebook before starting the exercise work. In first period you will divide it into three places, that ones place, tens place and hundred place. So how you will denote ones? 1, tens means 10, 100 means 100, and you will write their short form also, like for ones O, for tens T, for 100 H. Similarly, the next period is of thousands period. In thousands period, you will make two places, that is 1000 place and 10,000 place, TH and TTS. 1000, 10,000. Then next period is lakhs period. In lakhs period also you will divide into two parts, lakhs, lakh and 10 lakh. So first you will make write 1 lakh, then 10 lakh, number of digits in 1 lakh and number of digits in 10 lakh. Then your next period is crore period. In crore period they are also having only two places, crore period, crores place and 10 crore place. So this is your place value chart which you have to draw. First you will write place value chart, then you will divide the periods, basic periods, ones period, thousand period, lakhs period, crores period, and then you will further divide all the periods. First ones period you will divide into three parts, then all other thousand, lakh and crore period you will divide into two parts, and then at down you will write their shorts, and in between you will write how many digits will come in each periods. Okay, so let's move ahead towards our exercise work. And see this carefully students, you have to draw this. Now see, this is your exercise 3A, in which your first question is given, write in the short form. Here some large numbers are given in their expanded form. These numbers are given in its expanded form and you have to write these numbers in short form. Okay, so all these numbers are given according to their place values. So we will find the places of all the digits. Accordingly we will write this short form of the numbers. So let us start with A1. Here it is given 40000, means what is the place value of 4 here? Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. So 4 means 10,000. Okay, plus here 2, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 2 at 1000 place. Then 6, ones, tens, 100, 100 place. Then 90, ones, tens, tens place. Then 2 ones place. Okay, so what the place value chart shows how the periods are going: ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. Okay, so how you will write this in short form? Now say this is your period block. This is ones period divided into three parts, ones, tens, 100, and this is thousand period divided into two parts, 1000 and 10,000. So we will start from right. At ones, tens and 100 which digits are given? You can see at ones 2 is given, at tens 9 is given, at 100 6 is given. So 692, this will come in ones period. So 692, ones, tens, 100, at 106 given, at tens 9 given, at ones 2 given. So this was ones period. Then at 1000 what given? At 1002 is given, 10,004 is given. So this is the 1000 period, so we will write 2, and 10,000 period 4. So this is the number. If we write this by putting comma, so 42,000 comma 692, this is the short form for this large number. Similarly, let us see the next number. We will see the places of the given digits. The B1 is given first, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh. So 7 at the lakh place. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh. And what is the place of 5? Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000. 10,000. Then 3, ones, tens, 100,000. So it is 1000. Then ones, tens, 100. Ones, tens, ones. Okay. So how the place value charts moves? It moves ones period, thousands period, lakhs period. So at ones period, ones, tens, 100. Then 1000, 10,000, lakh. So how we will write? At once 5 is given, 5. At 10, 7 is given, 7. Then at 100, 1 is given, 1. Then 1000, 300, 3, and 10,000, 5 means 3, 5, and at lakh 7 is given, 7. So ones, tens, 100, comma 1000, 10,000, comma lakh. So the short form is 7,53,175. Now C1. Let us see the place value of 6, 3, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. 3 at 10 lakh. Then 6, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh. It is at lakh. Then 2, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000. It is at 10,000. Then 8, ones, tens, 100,000 at 1000. Then 4, ones, tens, 100. 100. 2, ones, tens. Tens, 1 is at ones. So according to the place value, how will it moves? Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. It moves till 10 lakh lakh period. So we will start from right at once. 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 4. Okay, ones, tens, 100. Then 1000, 8, 10,000, 2. So 8, 2. After ones period we will put comma. Ones, tens, 100. So we will put comma. Then 1000 period over, lakh period 6, 10 lakh 3, comma 6, 3. 36 lakh 28,421.